Hello friends, today I will show you how you can increase your computer speed in Windows 10. First you have to follow these 7 steps in order to increase your computer speed or laptop. Okay, first you have to delete your temporary files. For that press Ctrl Windows R key and then type in percentage sign and type in temporary. Okay, then press. Now delete this file. Okay, now second step is defragmenting your hard drive. Okay, now go to now here you can right click and then go to properties, and here you can compress this drive to save disk. So I have already done it, you can do it. And now go to optimize and defragment drive here and click on optimize. So here you can press optimize button and your hard drive will be defragmented, and this helps a lot in increasing your computer speed. Okay, now go to third step, that is blocking Windows 10 update. Now go to Windows 10, search here, and okay, here okay. Oh no, computer this PC, and then click on manage. And then click on this services and application and services, and then search W, then scroll down to Windows update. So I have already disabled it. You can just go there and disable this automatic update. Okay, and then go to recovery, and then select this take no action. Okay, and then close this. Now we go to Windows search. Now again we will go here, and there is, you can see there this button, and then go there and disable this. Okay, and then again for take no action, select take no action and then press OK. Now go to disable effect. For this you have to go to this PC and go to advanced system settings and go to visual performance, and then select then custom, and then you can disable all the effects. Here I have selected just only one option, that is show thumbnails instead of icons. Okay, so whenever I have an image, it will show me the image instead of just text. Okay, then now press OK and exit. Now we will go to the running virus scan. So if your computer is affected with virus, it will slow down. So for this you have to install a virus program. I have already installed it. 360 internet security, total security. Now you can run a full scan. So here is a full scan and this program is free. You don't have to pay for this. Okay, now close this. I have already done it. Okay, stop this. Okay, no threat found. Okay, now last step is to upgrade your RAM. Okay, I have installed the maximum capacity of this laptop, which is 8 GB RAM. So you can, if you have more capacity like 16 GB or 12 GB, you can install it to increase your computer speed. If you are working like on graphics or some video files, you have to install more RAM in order to increase your computer speed. Okay, now after doing all these steps, your computer speed will definitely increase. Okay, and thanks for watching my video, and if you like my video, like and share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks.